All right, long time no speak, I guess, right? Okay. So one of the problems you have with the M50 and quick release plates is that when you have a quick release plate on the camera, you cannot easily access your battery or your SD card. You might be able to get the SD card out, but you definitely cannot get the battery out, okay? I've seen a few solutions on YouTube, but none have worked as well as what I'm about to show you. Okay, so that's the problem. Add a quick release plate, can't access the battery, okay? So this is what you do. Remove your quick release plate. And it doesn't matter what type of plates you use. This should work pretty much with anything. See that? See that? Okay. Then you get this. It is Alzo Digital. A-L-Z-O Digital. A-L-Z-O Digital. Okay, so you take this. It's got this little rubbery self-adhesive cushion pad type thing. Basically, you put this onto the M50 with a screw here. Also comes with this little wrench, which I will tighten it. Make sure everything is lined up, and we tighten it down even more. Okay. So one thing you will notice when you get it is, okay, you don't want to over tighten it. Keep that in mind. Okay. So you just want to make it to where it's not moving around easily. That little self-adhesive rubbery pad that goes in right here, and then there's another pad right here. So that keeps everything level for you. Now notice, I can open the battery door completely, access both the battery and the SD card. That is the goal. So then you take your quick release plate and you put it onto this Alzo plate. If I can just get this to screw in properly. There we go. Okay, so tighten that up. So it basically offsets the QR plate. Okay, nice and tight. Everything looks good. You can go back with a screwdriver, whatever, and now you can see it still works. And you can still access the battery and SD card. Easy fix. Again, the link will be in the description. Deuces.